Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Kalshi app. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open the Kalshi app and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll see different categories and featured markets at the top. You can browse through these categories to find prediction markets that interest you, such as sports, politics, business, crypto, technology, weather, and many more. If you want to place a trade, simply tap on any market to open it. Before you can trade, you'll need to add funds to your account. To do that, tap on the deposit tab at the bottom, then select deposit. Here, you can fund your account using options such as a bank transfer, debit card, Apple Pay, crypto, or wire transfer, depending on what's available for your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Once your funds have been added, go back to the home screen or tap Live to browse active markets. Select the market you want to trade on. Inside the market, you'll see the available outcomes such as yes or no, along with the current prices or odds. Now, choose the outcome you believe will happen. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. If you prefer, you can also switch to purchasing by shares instead of entering a dollar amount. Review the estimated payout, then tap Buy or Place Order to confirm your trade. After your order is placed, you can monitor it anytime by opening the Portfolio tab. Here, you'll see your open positions, completed trades, account balance, and transaction history. If you're looking for a specific market, simply tap the search icon and enter a keyword. You can also save markets to your favorites so they're easier to find later. That's all there is to using Kalshi. Browse available markets, deposit funds, place your trades, and track everything from your portfolio until the market settles and any winnings are credited to your account. And that's it. This is how you can use Kalshi app. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.